My name is Tyrone, I'm from Autoventure 4x4. So this is a Crest barge from the same client with a Mastercraft. He was so impressed with what we did on the Mastercraft, he gave us an open canvas on this one. We built a very simplistic but yet effective Rockford system. We used our M2 power speakers again, two 12-inch subs, and our punch range of amplifiers, our trusty and reliable PMX2. Very simple setup, 6 speakers, 2 subs and the small amplifiers, and it really over-delivered on what the client expected. We added the RGB lighting, which is our theme lighting, if you want to call it that. Allows you to create a mood on the boat with different color schemes, different colors, and makes your boating experience at night or even during the day a little bit more different. To the extent that this client has allowed us to use these boats for the shoot and has been impressed with what we've delivered so far with the brand. Rockford's a family, I guess. We started just on 5 years ago. Started getting our teeth into the brand, and then COVID happens, and wow, all of a sudden we go back 10 years in business and wonder where the next turn's going to be. And then the evolution happens. We get involved in training, and what you thought you knew, you actually didn't know, and you get to know a lot more about the game and the product and the brand and what they stand for. And post-COVID, we see a revolution in the car audio and marine business, second to none. We have a client base that wants stuff that really works, that delivers. And what a great time to be involved with Rockford. We've grown, we've evolved, and we're part of a brand now that stands for something.